What Uncles Do Best by Laura Numeroff. Copyright Simon & Schuster. Uncles can take you on the roller coaster, try to win a prize for you, and buy you cotton candy. Uncles can play piano with you, help you make a triple-decker sandwich for lunch, and tell you silly jokes. Uncles can take you for a drive, go to the mall with you, and let you pick out new shoes. Uncles can help you draw, make puppets with you, and build a secret clubhouse. Uncles can let you watch the late show, send you home with a goodie bag, and invite you back again and again. But best of all, uncles could give you lots and lots of love.